right, here we go. That's one. I wonder if the faster speed was the better option. I think that looks pretty good. Let's put a little smiley face on that. Hold on, I don't know how to edit, but I'm pretty sure I can draw something. Now I can grab these guys. So I severely overestimated the size of the ring terminal. So I gotta redo Jumpy McGee. Alright, so we redid Jumpy McGee. Here was his counterpart that he wasn't good enough. So unfortunately, the original Jumpy McGee, he has to die now because he's not good enough.